Hi, this is Matt from Taqtile. Let's talk about how to find your work in Manifest. One method is assuming that work has been assigned to you by a supervisor. In this case, what you would do is navigate to the Work tab on the iPad, and then you would find the procedure that you're looking for. In this case, I'm looking for this pump startup, no 3D model procedure. So if I click on that, I can select Start Job and get right into it. Now, a second method is if I didn't have a procedure that was assigned to me by a supervisor. In that case, what I would do is go to the Asset Management tab. I would find the asset that I'm working on, go to the Templates tab, and find whatever procedure I need. When I'm on the template, I'll say Add Job, assign it to myself or others as desired, and I'll probably just say go straight to the job.